Ang init dito sa kwarto ko. So, creamy yung finish nito. Ito matte. Ay, discolored. Welcome back to the Project Awesome. So I'm back with a new video. At ngayon, papakita ko sa inyo yung mga February haul gifts and favorites ko. Last month, wala akong napakita sa inyo or na-share sa inyo na favorite products ko. Ngayon, I have quite a few products to share with you. Yung talagang mga madalas kong gamitin itong month ng February. Sorry, medyo hindi pa ako ulit sanay sa bangs ko. Kakapagupit ko lang ngayong araw na to talaga. Start muna tayo dito sa Glamour Style or GYS Lippies Cream. Yun yung tawag sa kanila, Lippies Cream. And they have a total, I don't know kung ilang total yung shades na meron sila, pero meron akong 6 shades dito. Pero ang paborito ko sa lahat ay yung Studded Kiss, and that is the darkest shade. Kasi ang ganda, kung nakita nyo sa Facebook page ko, or kung hindi nyo nakita, ipa-flash ko lang dito yung photo somewhere. Red na red siya, dark red siya, parang dark maroon siya. And it's a lip stain, pero sobrang pigmented niya, na parang hindi siya lip stain. Ang mahirap nga lang, gaya nung na-feature ko na to sa January haul ko, sobrang messy niya kasi walang stopper yung tube niya. Ayun, katulad niya, no? Ayan, ang dumi na nung paligid, kung makikita nyo. Pero sobrang ganda nito. At saka, napaka-pigmented. Ayun, no, makita nyo, ang messy niya gamitin. Kumakalat siya sa paligid kasi wala siyang stopper. So, yun lang yung downside dito. Pero aside from that, yung formula niya, tumatagal siya talaga. Talagang stain na stain sa lips mo. Very pigmented. Ayan siya. At pagka kinalat mo talagang mag-i-stain yan. Ayan o. At saka ang bango niya, para siyang watermelon. At pagka nilagay mo siya sa lips mo, para siyang nagiging, parang meron siyang minty sensation. Pero very, very slight lang. Kung gusto niyo matry itong products na to or yung other products nila, lalagay ko yung link ng Glamour Style or Glamour Skin Appeal sa information box sa baba. Ang may-ari nito si Miss Joanne, yung Me Shop. So yun, you can also follow them on Instagram. It's at NeShop. Next is this V&M or V&M Natural Smother Me Body Sorbet. Sobrang ganda nito. Ang bango niya, and yun nga, mahilig talaga ako sa mga minty products. Ito, sobrang cool niya sa skin. Pinost ko a few days ago yung tungkol dito sa Instagram ko. Ang bango niya. Tapos pag nilagay mo siya sa skin mo, sobrang lamig niya. Talagang parang nag-chill ka. And it's very moisturizing. Madali siyang ma-absorb ng skin, pero it's very moisturizing eh. Ang galing nga eh. Tapos yung pagka hinawakan mo yung skin mo, pag-apply nito, alam mo yung parang lumulutang yung skin on skin. Kasi parang sobrang ganun siya ka-smooth. Basta, hindi ko ma-explain masyado. This is again, the V&M Naturals Smother Me. Ayan. And nakakaputi din daw to. It has a whitening property, so pwede din siyang gamitin sa dark areas ng katawan. You can visit vnmnaturals.com for more information, or kung malapit naman kayo sa SM North, meron nito sa SM North Annex. Next product is my favorite mascara as of the moment, and that is the Benefit Mascara Roller Lash. And nakuha ko tong travel size na to dun sa style haul dinner namin nung December pa. Ito yung wand niya. And one of the reasons kung bakit gusto ko to, kasi hindi mo na kailangan ng eyelash curler. Pag nilagay mo to, talagang naka-curl niya yung eyelashes mo. Bongga. Minsan kasi, pagka nagmamadali ako, nakakalimutan ko na talaga. O talagang hindi na ako nag-eyelash curler. Mascara na lang. Ito nakakatuwa kasi, di ba pagka naglagay ka ng mascara, tapos hindi mo naman na-curl, minsan nakababang ganon, lalo na pagpababa yung eyelashes nyo naturally. Pero ito naka-curl niya yung lashes. Ang ganda. And for someone like me na mayroong thin and sparse eyelashes, very helpful to kasi aside from naka-curl niya, nalilengthen din niya. And then my next favorite is this Super Beauty Contouring Kit. So, ayan yung tsura niya, highlighter and contouring powder. Very simple lang, pero the mirror itself is very decent kasi kita ko naman yung face ko. And this cost, I think it's 875 pesos or around that. Kung hindi man exact yung nasabi ko, 875, basta nandun sa area na yun. Ang gusto ko dito sa contouring kit na to, it's very pigmented. Ayan. And also, yung contouring powder niya, it's more on the ash tone, more on the cooler tone. Kasi diba, pagka nag-contour tayo, dapat more on the cooler tone, yung parang grayish tone siya. Kasi para mas mare-recreate natin yung shadows. Yung mga ganong powder na may warmer tones, mas maganda silang bronzer. Pero yung mga contouring powder na may ash tone, ganyan, grayish tone, mas maganda yun for contour kasi mas nakaka-recreate tayo ng shadow sa face natin. Mas nagkakaroon tayo ng dimension sa face natin. And then yung highlighter, yeah, I like it as you can see. And it's not too, it's illuminating. Hindi siya yung parang very sheer, tapos glitters. Ayan, it's illuminating. I hope that you can properly see it. But yeah, I really like this Contouring Kit by Superbeauty. If you're interested, I'm going to put the link of Superbeauty dun sa information box sa baba. Pero pwede nyo rin naman silang i-visit sa Instagram. It's at Superbeauty. And also, meron din silang store sa SM North EDSA. Next favorite product of mine for the month of February is this eyebrow pencil by Aphrodite or Aphrodite. So, this in the shade 03. I think this is also called Dark Coffee. Ang gusto ko dito ay yung kanyang itsura kasi angled siya. So, para siyang yung Etude House Drawing Eyebrow Pencil and yung sa Anastasia Beverly Hills. And also, yung texture niya, hindi siya sobrang creamy, hindi rin naman siya sobrang dry. So, perfect lang siya for natural looking brows. Yung finish niya, natural looking siya. Kaya gusto ko to. Perfect for everyday. Hindi siya ganun ka-overpowering. Tumatagal din siya. So, hindi lang ako sure kung ilang shade yung meron nito. Pero so far, ang alam ko ay meron silang 3 shades nito. So again, if you're interested sa mga products na to, all the links will be in the information box below. And then my final favorite for the month of February is this Lip Smacker. And this in the flavor M&M's. M&M's Lip Smacker. So ayan, milk chocolate flavored lip gloss. Pero lip balm siya, more on the lip balm siya. Galing to kay dude, galing to sa boyfriend ko. Gustong gusto ko to kasi aside sa sobrang amoy chocolate siya talaga at ang sweet niya, talagang natitreat niya yung dry lips ko kasi lately, laging nagda-dry yung lips ko. I don't know kung bakit nag-exfoliate naman ako, uminom naman ako ng water, pero yun nga. This is one of the best lip balms that I've tried. Talagang namomoisturize niya yung lips ko. And every time na magme-makeup ako, nag-apply ako nito prior to applying prior to applying my lip product. Actually, bago ko simulan yung pag-makeup ko, naglalagay na ako nito para talagang ma-absorb siya ng lips ko. And also, before ako mag-sleep, ito yung ginagamit ko. So, those are all my favorites for the month of February. Let's now move on to the haul. Okay, first in my haul list are products again from IY. So, thank you so much, IY. And this time, the products that I'm going to share with you by IY is their whitening pack. At isa to din sa mga favorites ko. So, bago pa pinadala sa akin ng IY to, talagang ginagamit ko na yung products nila and yung whitening pack nila. Kasi it's very cool on the face. I'm not sure kung bago yung formula kasi naalala ko dati gumamit na ako nito years ago pa. Parang hindi naman siya ganun ka-cool pero ngayon talagang very refreshing siya kasi habang natutuyo siya sa face mo, nararamdaman mo pa rin yung cooling sensation. Parang heavenly talaga sa akin pagka minty products eh. So, ayun. At ang ginagawa ko usually, nag-exfoliate muna ako ng skin and then saka ako nilalagay yung whitening pack para ma-absorb talaga properly ng skin ko. This is also available in sachets. Ito yung itsura ng sachets niya. Ayan. So, very cute lagi ng packaging ng IY. Next are new products from EB Advance or Ever Bilena. So, thank you so much EB Advance for my gift pack. I have quite a few products to share with you. Ito yung some of their new products. One thing that I've noticed sa mga bagong products ng EB Advance no, ay yung packaging nila, yung mismong box. So, ito yung sample. Let me show you. Ayan. So, if it's meant for the face, merong letter F dyan, face, and for the lips, L. Nakakatuwa lang. And then, meron na rin silang CC cream. So, let's start with this one. This is the EB Advanced CC Cream or Color Corrector. And, wala siyang particular shade. Siguro, one shade lang siya. So, this is the first time na titignan ko yung loob. Ayan. Sealed siya. So, that's a good thing. Pero, tanggalin na natin kasi gusto ko lang makita. So ito yung EB Advanced CC Cream. I hope that you can properly see it from the camera. As you buff it on your skin, ayan, nagmamatch siya sa skin mo. I don't know kung sa lahat ganun, pero parang it's lighter than my skin color. I wonder kung okay to sa mga oily skin, pero we'll see. Of course, I'm going to do a review on this product, so please stay tuned for that. Next is the EB Advanced Blushing Cheeks, and I believe this is parang magic sila. Di ba, kung merong mga magic lipstick na nagta-transform, ito parang ganun siya. So, this is color white, no? Tingnan natin dito. Tapos, pagka in-spread out mo na siya, nagiging pink siya. Ayan, nagiging pink na nga siya agad. Pag in-spread out mo siya, ayan, nagiging pink siya. Amoy cherry, amoy candy siya. Ayan, yung blushing cheeks ng EB Advance. Hindi ko pa siya na-try sa face ko, pero mukhang okay siya for everyday. So, I want to do a makeup tutorial featuring this new EB Advanced product. So, please stay tuned for that. Sa ngayon, hindi ako masyadong nakagawa ng makeup tutorials. Puro haul videos muna. Tatapusin ko lahat ng kailangan kong tapusin. Kasi pagka makeup tutorial, kailangan focus ako. Kasi gusto ko special. Okay, next are more face products by EB Advance. And these are their new and improved cheek color, I guess. So, I have 3 shades to show you right here. First is in the shade Fig. At ayan, natutuwa ako sa packaging nila kasi Pagkuha mo sa box, nakalagay pa sila sa ganitong lalagyan. Ayan. And this is the darkest na meron ako. Again, this is in the shade Fig. Ganito yung mga gusto kong shade. Kahit na dark sila, tapos fair naman yung skin ko. Gusto ko kasi parang, pag nilagay mo to very minimally, parang nagbablush lang naturally yung skin mo. Ayan, so this is Fig. Tignan natin kung pigmented sila. Oh, so far so good. Pigmented naman. And, ayan. Okay, so this is the shade Fig. Ito naman yung Mandarin. Ayan. Parang orange peach blush siya. Tignan natin. Wow! So, this is in the shade naman, Orchid. And ito, pink to. Ayan. Parang fuchsia pink siya. Ayan. This is in the shade Orchid. And, let's watch. Ayan. Pigmented naman silang lahat. And again, they're all matte. Tapos, nakalimutan ko ipakita sa inyo, sa ilalim nung actual product, meron siyang, ayan, nahulog. Meron siyang kasamang brush. Pero, dry siya eh. Dry yung hair. I think, may irritate yung skin ko dito. Pero, ayun lang. So, those are all the EB Advance cheek color. Sinuklay ko muna yung hair ko kasi feeling ko gumugulong siya. Hindi ko alam kasi hindi ko nakikita kasi sira pa rin yung camera ko. Okay, next are lip products naman. So, I have here 2 lipsticks and this is the EB Advance Supreme Lipstick Matte and this one is the EB Advance Supreme Lipstick Cream. Start muna tayo dun sa cream. This in the shade Naomi. Naomi nga ba? Naomi. And we'll see. Yung itsura niya parang sa MAC. Ito yung Naomi. Ayan. Creamy nga yung finish niya. Parang satin yung finish. Swatch nga natin. Meron pa bang space sa aking kamay. Oh, ayan. Hindi siya ganon ka-pigmented yung pagka sinaswipe mo siya. Pero yeah, I like the color. I think this is perfect for spring or summer. Mas mahilig ako sa matte lipstick. So, I think mas magugustuhan ko to. This is in the shade Amethyst Rose. Ito yung matte naman. And ganun din yung itsura niya. Magkaiba lang sila ng texture. Again, this is in the shade Amethyst Rose. Oh, wow! Ganda. At looking at the tube, talagang makita mo na matte siya. Unlike dun sa cream, swatch natin siya dun sa may taas na part. Oh, mas maganda to kasi mas pigmented siya. Probably because matte siya. Ayan naman. Amethyst Rose. Oh, mas magugustuhan ko to. Oh my God! Parang hindi ko ma-distinguish. Parang floral yung scent niya. Ayan. This is again the EB Advance Supreme Lipstick in the shade Amethyst Rose Matte Finish. Ayan. Mas gusto ko yung Amethyst Rose kaysa dun sa Naomi. Then, the final products from EB Advance I want to show you are their, what do you call this? EB Advance Matte Lipstick. So, I have 3 shades right here. First, I have here the shade Plush Petal. Wow. Plush Petal. Swatch natin. Saan ko pa ba pwedeng i-swatch? Dito. Oy, gusto ko tong shade na to. Plush Petal. Nakikita, nahihirapan ako sa dito na nga lang. Ayan. Plush Petal. Ayan. Plush Petal. Ano nyo ba? I love it! Next shade is called Fuchsia Fantasy. Fuchsia Fantasy. Plush Petal Fuchsia Fantasy. The final shade is called High Heels. Ano naman siya? Yung texture nila, creamy. Creamy finish. Ayan. Plush Petal, Fuchsia Fantasy, and High Heels. And those are all the new EB Advance products that I got. So, thank you so much, EB Advance. If you're interested to try out their other products, lahat po available na sa EB counters. And regarding naman sa mga price nila, I'm going to put all the information sa information box sa baba. Sunod ay product from Burt's Bees. And laging ang ganda-ganda ng packaging ng Burt's Bees. Nakakatuwa lang. Tinanggal ko na kasi yung mga ribbon and everything. Pero ito yung product na fini-feature nila. So this is the Burt's Bees Intense Hydration Nourishing Facial Water with Clary Sage. So perfect na nagkaroon sila nito kasi meron akong complete nung facial cleanser nila. Day cream and night cream na ng line nila ng Intense Hydration with Clary Sage. So, perfect kasi magagamit ko yung complete line na merong kasamang nourishing facial water. So, basically, para siyang toner. So, we'll see. I'm so excited to try this kasi alam niyo naman, ang ganda-ganda ng products ng Burt's Bees kasi they're all natural. Kasama ng aking package from Burt's Bees ay itong very cute and girly and chic na notepad. Ayan. Thank you so much, Burt's Bees, for this. And ito, gusto ko lang pakita sa inyo, very interesting na USB. Ayan, itsura niyan. Una, hindi ko maintindihan kung ano to. So, Sabi ko, ano to? Parang nilalagay sa bag? Parang bag tag? Kasi parang ID tag, parang ganon. Yung pala USB siya. USB driver. Ayan. O, diba? Bongga. Nakakatuwa lang talaga. And according sa Burt's Bees, ayan nakalagay dito, this USB is made of natural fiber plastic composites, or also called NFPCS, which are considered a sustainable material because they can be made using recycled plastics and the waste products of the wood industry. With the waste wood contents inside, less plastic is required to make the final product. So, bongga lang talaga. Good job and kudos to Burt's Bees for making this amazing USB. Kakaiba lang talaga. So, for the month of March 2016, yung salad box, ang featured products nila ay All Benefit Cosmetics. So, if you want to know more about that, I'm going to put the link of salad box information box sa baba. At kung interesado din kayong panoorin yung vlog ko dun sa Vlogger's Array ng Benefit X Salad Box, I'm going to put the link sa information box sa baba para makita nyo yung naging event. And then, these are some of the products that you will get if you're going to subscribe sa salad box for the month of March. I want to start first with their very famous The Professional. Ayan, ito yung parang sample size lang. And to be honest, I think once or twice lang ako nakagamit ito. So, excited akong makagamit ito ulit. So, pagka nag-subscribe kayo sa salad box for the month of March, makaka-receive kayo ng ganito. And then aside from that, makakakuha din kayo ng Their Real Mascara. And ito yung travel size lang na Their Real. And gusto-gusto ko to kasi parang complete na siya. It's volumizing, curling, lengthening. Basta, ang ganda nitong mascara na to. Pero ang pinaka-star talaga ng benefit haul ko na to and nung March salad box ay yung new product ng Benefit, which is called the Tinted Primer, Their Real Tinted Primer. So this like the sister product of Their Real Mascara. So this works two ways according to this. You can wear this as mascara primer. So, pwede mo siyang ilagay muna. And then, tsaka mo ilagay yung mascara mo for added volume. Tsaka para mas magtagal siya. Wear this as a mascara primer to dramatically boost length and separation. Or you can wear this alone. And yung tint niya, it's brown. And then yung wand niya, ayan yung tip niya, parang medyo pabilog siya. Parang pag ganun yung brushes niya. So, the reason why ganun yung tip niya, para mas ma-reach natin yung hard-to-reach areas ng part ng eye natin dun sa paglagay ng mascara sa eyelashes natin. Yun nga, you can wear this alone and ang suggestion ko and ng Benefit, wear this during the daytime for more natural look kasi ginagawa niya, nalilengthen and separate niya nga yung lashes mo. And then, since brown yung tint niya, mas natural looking siya. And then, pagkadating naman ng nighttime, you can add your mascara, your favorite mascara on top para, mugang bongga yung lash nyo. Mas maging fuller looking yung eyelashes nyo. So, ayun, I'm really excited to do a separate review on this mascara, Their Real Tinted Primer. So, thank you so much, Benefit, for that. And also, nagkaroon ng mini contest during the Benefit X Salad Box event. And I actually won. I'm one of the winners. And isa pang nanalo si Joyce. And I got this as a prize. So, this is the full size of Their Real Mascara. So, thank you so much, Benefit, for all of this. And then, dun sa box na nakuha ko, meron pang kasamang, Lunar New Year envelope. Ang cute! Ayan, Year of the Monkey tayo, diba? Next are this new lip gradation by Maybelline New York. And I have a total of 8 shades right here. And na-feature ko to dun sa Anytime Date makeup ko. So, if you haven't seen that video yet, I'm going to put the link sa information box sa baba again. So, itong lip gradation na to, from the name itself, pwede ka mag-create ng gradient sa lips mo. Dual-ended siya. This in the shade Mauve 1, and this Georgina Wilson's favorite. Ito yung other end niya, yung lip product, actual lip product. So, iti-twist mo lang tong ilalim, itong black transparent ng thingy na yan. And then, ayan siya, yung product. Yung other end niya is yung sponge, or para siyang smudger, sponge siya. Ito yung gagamitin mo para mag-create ka ng gradient effect. Pwede kang mag-create ng ombre lips, or pwede mo rin naman siyang gamitin na pang smudge lang, for gusto mo kunyari ng parang tinted lang yung dating ng lip color mo. So yeah, I have 8 shades right here. I'm going to do a separate video for this kasi. So, I'm not going to swatch all of this, pero the texture, they're very creamy and velvety. This one is in the shade Coral 1. And then this one is in the shade Red 1. And then, meron din tayong Red 2. More on the orange tone tong red na to. Yung isa more on the fuller tone siya. And then I have here the orange one. Talagang orange yung color niya. And then, ito yung kanina, yung mauve one, yung favorite ni Georgina Wilson. And then I have 3 shades ng pink dito. Ito yung pink one. Ayan. Parang Barbie pink siya. And then next one is more on the cooler tone. This is called Pink 2. And then the final one is called Fuchsia 1. So those are all the 8 shades ng Lip Gradation by Maybelline. Again, I'm going to do a separate video for that. So please stay tuned for that para mas maipaliwanag sa inyo kung okay ba yung products na yan at mas makita nyo yung swatches niya pag suot ko siya sa lips ko. And yeah, I believe that's all of it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. And like always, if you have any questions regarding these products that I've just shared with you, and kahit anong questions na meron kayo, kung ano yung review na gusto nyong makita na gawin ko, na nakita nyo dito sa products na finiture ko ngayon, comment lang kayo sa baba. Or you can send me a message on my Facebook page, Makeup by Bing Castro, or you can even email me at ivsc1989@yahoo.com. And please don't forget to follow my Instagram accounts. I have 2, Bing Castro89 and Makeup by Bing Castro for my makeup works. At ayun, yun na. Tapos na tayo sa video na to. And I hope to see you in the next video, you guys. Stay awesome and accomplish your mission. Bye! Thank you so much for watching.